'cause it's time for toilet war!
Come on, please, just do it!
No!
Why not?
Piper, I said no, and no means no, okay? No, I don't have time for this, okay? I have a girlfriend, I have a job. What are you talking about? No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, it's not. Come on,
Dad, will you talk to him?
Look what I'm painting. It's called a gnome.
It's gorgeous. Now, will you please tell Henry that he should coach my basketball team?
The Woodpeckers need a new coach?
Yes.
I'll do it.
No, gross. We want you.
Oh. No.
I'll get it.
Henry.
I have to pay attention to the opening of our front door.
Sushi douchey!
Hey! I think I left my wallet upstairs.
Well, go get it!
Right.
Hey, yo, sushi guy.
Yeah, what's up?
Can you believe I have a brother who refuses to coach my basketball team?
Piper, this guy doesn't care about us or your basketball team.
Actually, I care very much.
See? He cares.
Yeah.
What layup? What's a layup? Fast! Oh.
Sophie! Piper! Perfect! Come on, Woodpeckers! Be maniacs! Be maniacs on the floor! Boom!
And we are underway in the first quarter of the game. The ball is in the air. The Woodpeckers has won the opening inbound. She's 1 point. Inbound going to the Tiny Rockets. Piper with the quick rebound. I think they got their name from the ball today. She's 2 points. There's the buzzer, and that's the end of this game. The Tiny Rockets have outrageous better day. Max snags the rebound. Is their name from that ball? Inbound going to the Imperials. Piper snags the rebound. They're over this board. From Max to Ivy. She's 1 point, and well that this game is over, the Imperials have outrageous better day. Never loses focus. Inbound going to the Woodpeckers. From Sarah, the ball goes to Joey. She's 1 point. The Seducts have the huge lead. Joey snags the rebound. Is their name from that ball? From Joey to Ivy. She's 2 points. From Sarah to Piper. From Piper to Max. She's 3 points. That at time's up. The Seducts have outrageous better day.